In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a reliable UK virtual number for OTP verification for your customer calls as well as international clients. And for this, we're going to be using Krispcall. And with Krispcall, you don't need a physical SIM card or a special hardware. You can use your phone or your laptop. Yes, you can make calls from your laptop. You can call any number in the world from your laptop and even transfer calls to other team members. Now, to properly learn how to do this, over here we practice while we learn. So the link to Krispcall will be in the description box. Click on it and let's get into Krispcall so that we can get our virtual number. So you're going to start by signing in using the email that you use to sign up and put in your password. Click on I'm not a robot and click on sign in. So a code will be sent to your email and you're going to type it into this box and click on continue. Okay, now as you can see, you actually get one free number from US, Canada or UK. So now you only get one free number after you've signed up, which actually costs a small amount of money. Now to get your virtual UK number, click on settings, click on my numbers and select your preferred country. Select your preferred number, name it and add it to the cart. Although the first number is free, you can get more numbers at an additional cost. Now you're going to see the number you purchased here. In the past, I got myself a US number and this is it here because that's what I needed. If you run into problems, you can always chat up the customer care and they would help you fix it right away. Trust me, their customer care service is really responsive. Now, after that, you can create a team. So if you have a sales team, a marketing team, a finance team, you can create different teams here, name the team and click on create. And you can add members to the team over here. Just put their email address, click here and click on send. And to call, you can use this dialer here. If you have multiple numbers from Krispcall, you can select the number here, add credits if you don't have any, and select the country you want to call and put the number of the person you're trying to call and click on the dial button. Now, obviously, you don't want to always come into Krispcall every time you want to make a call. So I would show you how to directly do it on your web browser. To add it to the Chrome extension so that you can always have access to it directly without needing to log into the website all the time, go to download apps, go to Chrome extension. You can actually download it on your Android and iOS, but I'm just trying to show you how to make calls from your PC without needing to always log into the website. So go to Chrome extension, click on add to browser, click on add to Chrome, add extension. So now over here we can see it. Now we're going to pin it so that we can just directly have access to it. Now we can always have direct access to it. It's not going anywhere. Just click here, sign in, and now see we have the dialing button. So here you can make your call. So you have all you need to set up your virtual UK number for OTP verification and calls. If you found this video really helpful, give me a big fat thumbs up. Really important for me and the algorithm. And over here I make videos about business, AI, tech and content creation. I have several courses, even free ones, to this related topics, and the link to all of them will be in the description box as well as the link to Krispcall. So if you're interested in this type of content, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, share this video. Someone out there needs this. Someone out there needs this. Okay, share this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.